everyone and welcome back to Mathematical Space. Today we will learn about fractions. What do you understand by fractions? Fraction means a part of a whole, right? Today in fraction we will do the topic equivalent fraction. So are you ready for the class? Yes, let's go forward. Fraction means a part of a whole. In fraction, how do we write fraction? We write fraction in the form of numerator over denominator, right? And what is the numerator? Numerator is the above term and denominator is the below term, right? Good. Now, let's discuss few examples. For example, 2 by 3 is a fraction, 9 by 2 is a fraction, 3 by 8 is a fraction. You can give any fraction. Okay, question for you. Is 2 by 2 a fraction? Yes, 2 by 2 is also a fraction. And what it denotes? It denotes whole. All right. I hope that's clear to everyone. Now, let's discuss about the next thing, which is equivalent fractions. What is the next topic? Equivalent fractions. What is the meaning of equivalent? Equivalent fraction means, for example, I have 2 by 3 and someone say, tell me 3 equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. What is the meaning of equivalent fraction? Always remember, whenever you have to find equivalent fraction, always multiply the number by 2, 3, 5, any number. Okay, but there is one condition. That number should be multiplied in numerator also and in denominator also. All right. That is a mandatory condition. For example, right now we have 2 by 3. So we have to find the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. What we will do? We will multiply by any whole number. Can I take 10? Okay, let me take 10. So I will multiply with 10 in the numerator and with 10 in the denominator. So what do I get? 2 times 10. So what happens when we have to multiply the fractions? What we do? Numerator get multiplied with the numerator and denominator get multiplied with the denominator. So if we talk about 2 times 10, so what is 2 times 10? It is 20. And what is 3 times 10? It is 30. So what is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3? 2 by 3 is equal to 20 over 30. This is the meaning of equivalent fraction. That means in what way we can write 2 by 3 as? What is 2 by 3 also equivalent to? What is the meaning of equi means? Equi means equal. So I hope that's clear to everyone. Can we discuss another example? All right, let's move to another example. Okay. For example, someone say, hey, can you find out 2 equivalent fraction of 3 by 9? And I would be like, yes, why not? I would help you out with that. So what is the thing? What is the meaning of equivalent? Always multiply the numerator and the denominator with a whole number. Let me choose whole number as 4. So I will multiply the numerator and denominator as with whole number. So what is 3 times 4? The numerator is multiplied with numerator. So 3 times 4 is 12. And what is 9 times 4? 9 times 4 is 32, right? 36, right? So it becomes 12 over 36. Then someone say, hey, can you find one more equivalent fraction for 3 by 5 apart from 12 by 13? And I would be like, yes, why not? Let me explain you how to do it. So write 3 by 9. Now multiply with any other whole number apart from 4. Can we multiply by 2? So what I get? I get 3 times 2, which is 6. 9 times 2, which is 18. So what is the answer? 6 by 18. That means 3 by 9 is equal to 6 by 18 and is also equal to 12 by 46. So I hope this is clear, and we have found two equivalent fraction of 3 by 9. One is 6 by 18 and the other is 12 by 36. So easy, right? This concept is extremely easy. Let's do few more questions. All right. Write 5 equivalent fraction of 6 by 8. So now we have to write down 5 equivalent fractions. What is the meaning of 5 equivalent fraction? It means we have to find out 5 different fractions which will be equal to 6 by 8. Yes or no? So let's find out. That means we have to multiply 6 by 8 with 5 different whole numbers. Let me first multiply it by 2. So I will multiply numerator also with 2, denominator also with 2. So what is 6 times 2? 12. What is 8 times 2? 16. So 6 by 8 is equal to 12 by 16, right? Let's find out second one. So we will write 6 by 8 as it is. Now let me take the other number as 3. So I will multiply by 3 in the numerator and multiply by 3 in the denominator. And always remember, choose an easy number. Okay. So what is 6 times 3? It is 18. What is 8 times 3? It is 24. So the answer became 18 by 24. That means 6 by 8 is also equal to 18 by 24. Next. 6 by 8. Now let me multiply by 4. Always choose easy number to multiply. Why to increase our task, right? So what is 6 times 4? 6 times 4 is 24. What is 8 times 4? 8 times 4 is 32. So easy, right? Let me find out the next one. Now in next one, let us multiply it by 5. So what is 6 times 5? Is 30 and 8 times 5 is 40. That means 6 by 8 is also equal to 30 by 40. Yes or no? See how easy it is. And you can find it very, very easily. Next, 6 by 8. We have to find one more. Let me choose an easy number. Shall I multiply by 6? Oh, let's do one thing. Let me multiply it by 10. So, I will multiply the numerator and the denominator with 10. What do I get? 6 times 10 is 60. 8 times 10 is 80. Wow! Finally, we have 5 equivalent fraction. How are you feeling? I'm feeling so happy and so easy it is. So, I'm circling them. 12 by 16, 18 by 24, 24 by 32, 30 by 40, and 60 by 80. All these fractions are equal to 6 by 8. So I hope this concept is clear to everyone. Thank you for watching the video. It is not the end, but don't forget to like the video, comment the answer, and subscribe the video. Subscribe the channel. Also, if you have any doubt or any topic that you want me to explain, write down in the comment box. All right, let's do one more example. I hope you are understanding it and enjoying the class. All right. Now let me ask you a very, very easy question. 8 by 10, okay, which there is a fraction 8 by 10. So you have to find out which of the following fraction is equivalent to 8 by 10. All right. So I'm giving you option A. Is it 8 over 100? B. Is it 16 over 20? C. Is it 80 over 1000? D. Is it 2 over 5? So tell me which is the correct answer. So tell me, if we multiply this number with 8 by 100. How is it possible adding one extra zero? So this is not possible. Next, B part, 16 by 20. Can we multiply with any number that we get 16 by 20? Oh, yes. If I multiply 8 by 10 with 2 by 2, what do I get? I get 16 by 20. That means this is our correct answer. Clear? Now, I suppose that this concept is crystal clear to all the students watching this video. All right. Now, here is a homework for you. Question. Write down 3 equivalent fractions of the following. First one is 3 by 2. Second one is 4 by 19. Third one is 6 by 4. Second last is 7 by 9. And the last is 11 by 12. So, students, try this at home and get it checked by your parents. I hope everyone has understood the concept of equivalent fractions. Yes or no? Let's give it a quick revision. So, what is the meaning of it? Let's start with it. Equivalent fraction, what we do? We multiply the numerator and the denominator with a whole number. It could be 2, 3, 4, 5, any whole number. Numbers are infinite. So I hope this video was interesting for you, enjoyable for you, and you understood the concept. If yes, comment down which next topic video you want me to make. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. See you in the next video. Thank you for joining in.